With the sustained depreciation of the local Zimbabwe dollar, President Emmerson Mnangagwa is still spending on buying the support of the people of Zimbabwe. Welcome back to Zim News Live YTS, where we give you latest updates about what's transpiring in Zimbabwe. Before you go any further, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so that you don't miss any updates. Mnangagwa, hiding behind unscrupulous businessman Wicknell Chivayo, has been splashing hundreds of thousands of dollars on musicians in order to capture their support base. But the people in Zimbabwe are hungry, musicians included. They have accepted the bribe. Shockingly, this kind of action is coming after Mnangagwa won elections in August last year. He should be hard at work equipping hospitals with essential medical supplies or building a public transport network that's not there anymore, isn't it so? But Mnangagwa is spending money on bribing influential people of Zimbabwe. This past weekend, he was in Masvingo at the ZVAITWA church, where through his sidekick Chivayo, donated $1 million to the church. Zimbabwe has the highest inflation in the world, and there is no money to do this. This is today's news about Mnangagwa spending money to buy bribes while there is no money in the country. Let us know what you think in the comment section down below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so that you don't miss any updates.